Hey guys, welcome back to the KOZIAR Performance Tuning YouTube channel. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. We have merchandise available on Teespring. We have t-shirts like this one. We have multiple colors. We have options for the ladies and the gentlemen. And just in time for winter, we have really nice high quality hoodies. You got two different options there, pullovers plus zippers. And then the shirts, we have long sleeve and short sleeve available. These items are only going to be run while we do the Old Blue build. So once Old Blue gets close to being done, we're going to start making merch for the next build. So please go check out the link in the description box below. Again, that's for Teespring, and we'll get back to the video now. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue where we left off in the last video, episode 3, and basically we're going to continue with the teardown of the front clip, so stay tuned. Alright, here you're going to basically see me start removing all of the parts and pieces off of the inner fenders, and this is just so I can have everything loose so I can pull that piece out as one piece and not have a bunch of stuff stuck to it. So you're going to just see that process now. So here is the old trailer brake controller that I was talking about earlier in episode 3, I believe. But yeah, so I don't know exactly how this thing works, but you basically loosen that wing nut and then you slide that bracket back and forth on that coil and it changes the resistance. So pretty neat little deal, and I might look into it a little bit farther and just give more detail about it, but it's pretty neat. These are the last few bolts holding this inner fender on for the driver's side, and they obviously mount to the firewall as well as the core support. So almost there. Alright, so now I'm removing the condenser as well as the transmission cooler from the core support, and then I think that's pretty much it for episode 4. So in episode 5 we will continue with the right front fender, inner fender, and all of the other parts and stuff that attach to that. And then hopefully at the end of episode 5 we should be sitting there with a big block and just the 70s mess of emissions crap left in the engine bay. So again, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And again, check the description box down below for Teespring so you can check out the old blue merch. And we have really great hoodies there. So again, a big huge thanks for stopping by and checking us out, and I will see you on the next one.